In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a letter on Google Docs. Let's start from a clean slate and keep things simple and professional. First, open Google Docs and create a new blank document. If you're already in your browser, you can go to the Docs homepage and click blank or type docs.new into the address bar for a quick start. If you prefer a ready-made layout, open Template Gallery at the top of Docs and look under Letters. Pick a style you like and replace the placeholder text with your own details. Templates take care of spacing and alignment for you, which can save time. If you're starting blank, choose a clear, readable font like Times New Roman or Arial at 11 or 12 points and keep your text left aligned. At the very top of the page, type your own mailing address. Include your street, city, state or region, and postal code. Keep it single-spaced. After your address, press Enter once to leave a blank line, then type the date. If you want the exact current date, you can insert it from the Insert menu and choose Date. Consistency matters, so stick to one date format throughout the document. Press Enter again to leave another blank line. Now add the recipient's full name and mailing address. If you're writing to someone at a company, include their title and the company name above the street address. Double-check spellings here. Getting names and addresses right sets a professional tone. Next comes your salutation. Type Dear followed by the person's name and end with a comma. Use the name you would naturally use in conversation given the context, whether that's a first name or a full name with a title for something more formal. For the body of the letter, aim for 2 to 3 short paragraphs with a blank line between each one for clarity. Start with a brief introduction that states your purpose. Follow with a paragraph that adds key details or context, and finish with a short closing paragraph that clearly states any next steps or a polite thank you. Keep your sentences concise and your tone consistent. As you type, Google Docs will flag spelling and grammar suggestions. Use those to keep everything polished. To close, add a friendly sign-off such as sincerely or best regards, followed by a comma. Press Enter a couple of times to leave space for a signature if you plan to print, then type your full name. That's it. Your letter is structured, clear, and ready to share or print. Docs saves automatically, so you won't lose your progress as you go.